Well, hello. Very, very exciting day. This will be my first video with a GoPro. So this is a GoPro I got cheap second hand with an external mic coming into my helmet. So this little ride will be just really to test it, to see whether I got the angle right, whether the microphone works okay, and whether I've made the right choice. As you know, I usually use Contour cameras, fabulous cameras, I love them, very good value for money, sleek, fabulous mounting system, the easiest camera in the world to operate. Just love them. So let's see how the GoPro performs. The model I have, it is an old camera. It's about 3 or 4 years, at least 4 years old, and it's a GoPro 3 Black. So it can do 4K and a whole lot of other fancy stuff which I'll never use. And I have the attachment for it so that I'm able to put the external mic into my helmet. The trouble with all of with so many cameras that you get now, or the little adventure cameras, is that they have external microphones, and the issue is that you get a lot of wind noise, and if you want to talk as you're riding like I do, there's really no way unless you have a separate recorder, and I do have that, and I use it when I'm doing videos with Hornet and Bandit, so my friend Chris can synchronize them. Now he's a cameraman and he does it easily. For me it takes me a long time and I'm very much a novice. So I was looking for something that took video and had me talking at the same time. Very easy to edit. Great system. Well, we'll see. I had this GoPro mounted on my chin, well not my chin, but on the chin area of the helmet, and I've always seen those and thought, oh boy, they look awful there and whatever, but the view you get is great. You don't get the side of the helmet, and it's unobstructed view of where you're riding, and you get a bit of the bike. I think it's probably the best position. So what I'll do is I'll stop very shortly and I'll show you how I mounted it, because mounting it on the chin does come with its challenges. Here we go. beautiful. Lovely little reserve this. Let's see what it's called. Fingerboard Corner, Ayr Flat. That's where we are. As promised, a review on my GoPro setup. Okay, I've finally bought a GoPro. Hope you can see it. An old GoPro, a GoPro 3 Plus Black, that I got secondhand off Gumtree. Challenging to mount it to my chin. I've put this mount here, which I've had to modify with some Need-It on the back of the mount. Some areas which didn't adhere as I would have liked, but it's holding rock solid. I got this because I wanted the external microphone into my helmet, so I didn't have to synchronise all the time. I've just done my first video with it, so we'll see how it turns out. I hope it's good. I have purchased 3 aftermarket batteries with a kit, and I should get 2 hours out of each battery. I've always used Contour, which I love. They're sleek, easy to turn on and off. The only issue being is it doesn't have any way you can do an external mic unless modifying it, and I'm not electronically savvy. So that's why I went for this. So I don't have to synchronise the sound all the time. I'll still use these. This is a great camera. But I've gone the GoPro. Let's see what it's like. Okay guys, I've just done the little bit of filming in the reserve. I have noticed the red flashing light. It's nice that this GoPro gives you a bit of a warning as to when the battery's going flat. It gives you a bit of a beep, which is quite audible, letting you know that it's going flat. So if that happens, you can stop, or when that happens, and just throw in a new battery. Can hear a bit of wind noise. I hope you can hear me on the... I hope there's not too much wind noise coming into my helmet. This road is 100 k's an hour. Now we can hear what the wind noise is like at 100 k's an hour. The GoPro is very easy to use, which I like. Essentially it's only 2 buttons. You turn it on at the front, and then you press the button up the top of the unit to get it recording. Very easy. I can easily do it with my gloves on, which is good. Well, thank you guys for joining me on my ride with my GoPro for the first time. And I know I have to do a bit of work on the wind noise, but overall, I'm pretty happy. Thank you. And if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Thanks.